Now, in performance time E, so the second question, subtract sum of these two, 4 1 by 2 and 3 3 by 8 from 10 3 by 6 means, so this sum, first we have to find the sum of these two numbers, these two fractions, and this sum we have to subtract from this 10 3 by 6. It means first we have to find sum of 4 1 by 2 and 3 3 by 8. Then sum means we have to add 4 1 by 2 plus 3 3 by 8, that is. So, these mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction, that is 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 plus 8 to the 24 plus 3 27, 27 by 8, 27 by 8. Now, this is our rough column. In this rough column, we have to find LCM of the denominators 2 and 8. 2 and 8 LCM. 2 is a factor of this 8, one of a number is factor of the other, then the LCM is the bigger number. 8 is our LCM. 8 is our LCM. Then in 2 table, when you will get this 8, 2 4s are, multiply with 4. In 8 table, when you will get 8, 1s are, multiply with 1. Now, 9 4s are 36 by 2 4s are 8 plus 27 1s are 27 by 8 1s are 8. Now, sum of the numerators we have to find. 36 plus 27 by common denominator, that is 63 by 8. This is the sum. So, this sum we have to subtract from 10 3 by 6. Now, sum 63 by 8 should subtract from 10 3 by 6, 10 3 by 6. Now, so that is from 10 3 by 6 we have to subtract 63 by 8. Subtract means minus. So, this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 6 tens are 60, 60 plus 6 tens are 60, 60, 6 tens are 60 plus 3, 63, 63, okay, 63 by 8, 63 by 6, 6 tens are 60, 60 plus 3, 63 by 6 minus 63 by 8, okay, 63 by 6 minus 63 by 8. Now, these two are improper, means unlike fractions. So, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions by taking LCM. 6 and 8 LCM we have to take. 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, again with 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is, again with 4, 1 and 4 1s are 4. Now, you multiply 2 into 3 into 4, 2 3 are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 is the LCM. 6 and 4 LCM is 24. In 6 table, when you will get 24? 6 4s are, multiply with 4. In 8 table, when you will get 24? 8 3s are. Now, 63 4s are, 4 3s are 12, 4 24, 25. 252 minus the 9, 18 by, means these two are 24 only. How it is 24? See here, 252 by 24 minus 189 by 24. These two are like fractions, then difference of the numerators by denominator. Then 252 minus 89, 63, 63 by 24, 63 by 24. Now, how to convert this 63 and 24, 63 and 24. So, see here, these two are divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are, 3 8s are 24, 21 by 8, 21 by 8. Then 21 by 8 in mixed fraction, 2, 5 by 8. So, this is the answer, 2, 5 by 8 in mixed fraction. How to convert mixed fraction, that we know. According to that you have to convert. Okay. Now, the next question, subtract 2, 1 by 6 from the sum, means first we have to find the sum of these two, and from this sum we have to subtract this. Here what we did, this sum we have to subtract from this. So, here it is not like that. From the sum we have to subtract this one. Okay. Now, first we have to find sum. Sum of 3, 2 by 3 and 2, 5 by 6. So, these two are mixed, then we have to convert into improper. 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. 11 by 3 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6. Now, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. This is our rough column. 3 and 6 LCM. So, one of a number is factor of the other. 3 2s are 6. One of a number is factor of the other. Then the biggest number, largest number is the LCM. 6 is the LCM. Then in 3 table, when you will get 6, 2s are multiply by 2. In 6 table, 6 1s are multiply with 1. Now, 11 2s are 22 by 3 2s are 6. 17 1s are 17 by 6. Now, sum of numerators, 22 plus 17 by common denominator, that is 39 by 6. 39 by 6. Okay. This is the sum. Now, 2 1 by 6 should subtract from the sum. (39 by 6). From this sum we have to subtract this, but here this sum subtract from here means opposite. So, means here, so from this sum we have to subtract this one. Okay. Means what is the sum? 39 by 6 minus 2 1 by 6 we have to subtract. 2 1 by 6 we have to subtract. Okay. Then 39 by 6 as it is, this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 6. Okay. Now, difference of the numerators, 39 minus 13 by 6. 39 minus 13 by 6. 39 minus 13, 26. 26 by 6. 26 means 2 13s are 26, 2 3s are 6. 2 2 cancel. 13 by 3. 13 by 3 means 3. 4 1 by 3. It is a mixed fraction. Okay. So, this we have to convert into mixed like this. This is our answer. Okay. Now, here the word problem. So, the fourth word problem is there. So, what the fourth word problem? See here. Saras covers 3 2 by 5 kilometers by walking and 1 4 by 7 kilometers by running. Find the total distance covered by Saras. So, here Saras, he covered a particular distance by walking and so distance by running. Then after that, what he is asking, total how much distance he covered. Total how much distance he covered he is asking, means we have to find addition. We have to find addition. How much distance he covered by walking and how much distance he covered by running. So, we have to add both the distances, then you will get total distance. How much distance he covered, total how much distance he covered. So, that you will get after addition, means here we have to do addition. We have to do addition. The two fractions we have to add. We have to add. Now, steps. Distance distance covered by walking. 3 2/5 kilometers. 3 2/5 kilometers. Then next, distance covered by running, that is 1 4/7 kilometers. Now after that, total distance he covered. Total distance he covered. Total distance he covered. Then what we have to do? We have to add 3 2/5 plus 1 4/7. So this we have to add this total two fractions. Sum of two fractions we have to add. So sum of these two fractions, these two are mixed fractions. These mixed fractions first we have to convert into improper fractions. Okay. 5 3 is 15, 16, 17. 17/5 plus 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 11/7. Now, after that we have to find LCM. 5 and 7 LCM we have to find. 5 and 7. These two are prime numbers. So, when two prime numbers are there, then what is the LCM? Their product only the LCM. 5 7s are 35. 35. 35 is the LCM. Now, in 5 table, when you will get 35? 7s are. In 7 table, when you will get 35? 5s are. Multiply with 5. Okay. Then after that, 17 7s are 119. Okay. 17 7s are 119 by 5 7s are 35. 11 5s are 55 by 7 5s are 35. Now add numerators. 119 plus 55 by 35. Then 9 plus 5 14, 1 5 6 7. 174 by 35. 174 by 35. 174 by 35. Now this we have to convert into mixed fraction. 174 divided by 35. 35 4s are 140. Then 4 left 3. That means 4 the quotient we have to write, and 34 by 35 kilometers. The total distance he covered, how much? 434 by 35 kilometers. This much distance he covered by walking as well as by running. Okay. Next, the next question, Sarthak played a movie on the DVD player. The total duration of the movie was 3/5 hours. Due to the power failure, he could watch the movie only for 1/4 hour. So, what is the duration of the movie left to be seen by Sarthak? The total movie duration is given. So, that is 3/5 hours. This is the total duration of a movie. So, due to power failure, so then how much movie he saw? 1/4 hours movie. Only 1/4 hours movie only he saw. Then, so what is the duration of the movie left? Then how much the duration of the movie left? He is asking. Means total duration is given and how much duration he saw, that is given. Then how much movie left, that he is asking. Means what we have to do? First we have to decide what we have to do. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In this first we have to decide what we have to do. Here already, so this total movie length is given, that is duration 3/5 hours. In that 1/4 hours already he saw. Then how much movie left to see? So that means remaining he is asking, remaining means we have to subtract. The remaining part he is asking, total means we have to add, remaining part he is asking, that means we have to subtract. How we have to subtract? What is the total length of a movie? 2 3/5 hours. From the total length, how much he saw? So that we have to subtract. Then you will get how much movie left to see, that you will get. Okay. Then first we have to write the steps first. Total duration of the movie, total movie duration. That is 2 3/5 hours. In this total duration, then how much he played? So the movie only 1/4 hours he played. He played due to power failure, the part of movie he watched, 1/4 hours part of a movie he watched. Then duration of the movie, left to be seen is equal to, in total duration 2 3/5, how much he saw, that we have to subtract 1/4 part he saw. So then, this mixed part we have to convert into improper. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 13/5 minus 1/4 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5/4. Now we have to take LCM, 5 and 4 LCM, 5 and 4. These two are the consecutive numbers. When prime numbers are there, then the product only the LCM. So here the product only the LCM, 5 4 is 20 is the LCM. When 2 prime numbers or 3 prime numbers or 4 prime numbers are there, then just we have to multiply that product only the LCM. When 2 consecutive numbers, serial numbers given, then also we have to find the product, that is only the LCM in short. Or otherwise, one prime number is given, one composite number is given, so then also the product only the LCM. These 3 shortcuts you have to remember. Okay, no need to do, so no need to waste your time, just direct method you have to follow and you have to find your LCM. What? When 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever here, so prime numbers are given, so then what is the LCM? The product only the LCM. In the second, consecutive numbers, only two consecutive numbers are given, in that also the product only the LCM. In the third, one prime number and one consecutive number is there, in that also the product only the LCM, okay. Now in 5 table, when you will get 20, 5 4s are multiply with 4, in 4 table 4 5s are 20 multiply with 5, 13 4s are 52, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now difference of the numerators, 52 minus 25 by 20, 52 minus 25, 27 by 20, 27 by 20. Okay, 27 by 20 in mixed fraction, that is 17 by 20 hours. This part of a movie is left, 17 by 20 part of a movie is left. Okay. Now students, next concept in performance time F. What is the next concept? Multiplication of fractions, addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. These two concepts we discuss, and types of fraction and everything we discuss. Then after that, multiplication of fractions. Then how to multiply fractions. So addition and subtraction, in these two So, the concept, what is the concept? So, first we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions and we have to add and subtract. So, by taking LCM of the denominators. So, we have to take denominators LCM, we have to take denominators LCM, but here when the multiplication is there, then how to do, what to do. So, in multiplication how to do, see here solution, how to multiply. So, in the multiplication just we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Numerator with the numerator we have to multiply and denominator with the denominator we have to multiply. 4 into 3 by numerator and numerator we have to multiply and denominator we have to multiply. 4 into 3, 9 into 2. Okay. So, but in addition and subtraction, first we have to convert, so the unlike fractions into like fractions, then after we have to add the numerators, and so after that the denominator, so we have to take denominator once. The common denominator we have to take one time in the denominator place, but here multiplication is separate. Multiplication, the similarity is not there between addition, subtraction and in multiplication. There is no similarity. Do not think that in multiplication just we are multiplying numerator and numerator, no. So, in addition also, so we have to do like that, no, in addition it is not like that. We have to convert the fractions into like fractions, then only we have to add or we have to subtract. Okay. Now, see here, after that then how to, if any simplification is possible then simplify it, and after that you have to do. These two 3 and 9, these two are, so have common factor 3. So, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. One numerator and one denominator we have to check, and these two have common factor 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now, you multiply 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 by 3 1s are 3, 2 by 3. Okay. This is the answer, 2 by 3. Okay. So, here first we have to multiply numerators 4 into 7 by denominators 5 into 12. Now, check numerators and denominators. So, numerator 4 and denominator 12, these two have common factor 4. So, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Then after that 1 7s are 7 by 5 3s are 15, 7 by 15, 7 by 15 is the answer. Now, here numerator into numerator we have to add 5 into 4 by 8 into 7. Now, you check 4 and 8, these two have common factor 4. So, simplify this, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now, you multiply 5 1s are 5 by 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So, this is proper fraction, this is also proper fraction and this is also proper fraction. No need to convert in mix because all they are proper fractions. Now, here numerator with numerator we have to multiply 33 into 25 by 20 into 9, denominator with denominator. Now, common factors 25 and 20, these two have common factor 5. Then 5 5s are 5 4s are. So, these two have common factor 3. Then 3 3s are, 3 11s are. Now, you multiply 11 5s are 55, right. 4 3s are 12. This is improper fraction. So, when improper fraction, then you have to convert into mixed. 12 4s are 48, here 55 means 7 is left. 4 7 by 12, 4 7 by 12. So, this is our improper fraction into mix. So, in this way we have to multiply when multiplication is given, numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, we have to multiply and we have to simplify and we have to check, okay, what is our answer. Now, here multiply. So, mixed fraction with whole number we have to multiply, mixed fraction with whole number, okay. Then how to multiply mixed fraction with whole number? See here, first this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 by 9 into 45. In whole number there is no by, means by 1 is there. Now multiply numerator and numerator, 25 into 45 by denominator with the denominator. These two have common factor 9, then cancel in 9 table, 9 1s are 9 5s are, down, 25 5s are 125 by 1 1s are 1. So, that means 1 1s are 1, no need to take by 1, only 25 is the answer. Next, so this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper first. 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 5, 41, 41 by 9 into 18. There is no by, means by 1 is there. So, these two have common factor 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, then 42 2s are 82, 41 2s are 82 by 1. No need to take by 1, just you take 82. So, that is it. Now, mixed fraction we have to convert into improper first. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 23 by 4 into this 3 by 1. There is no common factor anywhere, so just you multiply numerator with numerator. 23 into 3 by 4 into 1. The 9 to 69 by 4. 69 by 4 in mixed fraction. 4 1s are 4, 2, 4, 4 6 are, 4 7s are 1 by 4. 17 1 by 4 is in mixed fraction. 17 1 by 4 is our mixed fraction, okay. Now, this one. This we have to convert into improper fraction. 17 3s are 51, 17 3s are 51, 52, 53, 54. 54 by 17 into 85 by 1. So, these two have common factor 17. So, these two are divided by 17. 17 1s are 17, 17 5s are 85. Then 54 5s are 5 4s are 20, 2 5 4 5 are 25, 270 by 1 1s are 1. That is 270 is the answer. Okay, this is our multiplication. Okay.